Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I'm going to show you how to auto forward your Yahoo Mails to your Gmail. Open your web browser, it could be any, I'm using Google Chrome. On the search bar type yahoo.mail. You will land on your inbox which will look like this. If you look at the left side of your screen, you can see three dots. Click on the three dots and then click on settings. A new tab will open then. Again, on the left side of your screen, you can see mailbox. Click on the mailbox and then there you will see your email. Click on your email. Now if you scroll down, you will see auto forwarding option. You will only be able to auto forward your emails if you have Yahoo Mail Plus. If you have Yahoo Mail Plus, then you can add your Gmail account here and then your emails will be auto forwarded. However, if you do not have Yahoo Mail Plus, you cannot use this feature. I hope you found this video useful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching.